Well, the title of the book, The Sound of Glass, is really in reference to sea glass, which Laura Lee calls mermaid's tears. And there's the legend of a mermaid from, way back who, against regulation, saved her sailor love from a storm, and as punishment she was forced to go to the bottom of the ocean and never come up again. And so the sea glass that you find on the shore is her tears. But it's symbolic in this book because it's about women who at first appear fragile and you don't realize how strong they are. And the way that's reflected in the sea glass is that sea glass is basically pieces of glass from old bottles and things like that that have been tumbled about the ocean for years and years, decades. But this is what's remaining. They're clouded and they're rough on the edges, but when they make it to shore, they're still intact. And that sort of symbolizes these three women who life has really tumbled them around.